Feeling tired of wobbling fork surfaces? Let's fix that. In this video, we will walk you through building a rock-solid woodworking bench, step by step, with your tasty drill as your guide. Hi, it's James here from Drilling Nerd. So, grab your favorite drill, some wood, and let's get down to business. Materials and tools list. Before we start, let's make sure we have all the supplies. Wood. We will use thick, chunky beams 4x4s for the legs, thinner beams 2x4s for the frame, and a big flat piece of wood, plywood, for the top. You can adjust the size depending on your space and needs. Drill and drill bits. Your trusty drill will be your main tool. Make sure you have a variety of drill bits for wood in different sizes. We will use smaller ones to make starting holes and bigger ones for the screws. Saw. A handheld saw to cut the wood, circular saw or a fancy saw for cleaner cuts, meter saw if you have one. Screws and clamps. Lots of screws to hold everything together and clamps to keep the wood steady while drilling. Safety gear. Safety first. Don't be a drilling daredevil. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Pro tip alert. Using wood treated for outdoor projects, get screws that will not rust like stainless steel. Step 1. Cutting the lumber. First, we gotta cut our lumber into pieces based on our cutting list. Double check the measurements to ensure everything fits together perfectly. A standard 2x4 piece of wood is actually a little shorter than 8 feet because of how it's processed. Keep that in mind when you are measuring. Step 2. Building the base, the foundation of strength. We will make tiny holes first, called pilot holes, to stop the wood from splitting. Then we will use those holes as guides to screw the legs securely to the frame. This creates the solid foundation of your workbench. Warning: don't skimp on the clamps. Clamp the wood pieces together nice and tight before drilling so they don't move around. A secure base is key to a sturdy bench. Step 3. Building the top. Time to give our bench a strong work surface. We will use the same technique, drilling pilot holes first, and then screw the big flat piece of wood, plywood onto the completed frame. This will be your workhorse surface where you will create all your woodworking magic. You can sand the plywood before screwing it on. A smooth surface will make using your tools and working on projects much easier. Step 4. Customization corner. Adding anything that makes your woodworking life easier. Maybe think about tool holders to keep everything organized, a clamp to hold down your projects while you work, or even a shelf underneath for extra storage. Step 5. Finishing touches. Almost there. Let's take some sandpaper and smooth out any rough edges for a comfortable workspace. You can also personalize your creation further by painting or staining your bench to match your workshop style. Your very own custom-built woodworking bench ready to tackle any project you throw its way. For more drilling tips and tricks, subscribe to the Drilling Nerd channel and hit that notification bell.